Frustrated by constant program crashes, we have got you covered. In this video, we will take you through effective troubleshooting steps to diagnose and fix those annoying crashes on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to smoother performance. Watch now and get your programs running seamlessly. To fix a program that keeps crashing on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Update the program to the latest version. Step 2. Update Windows to the latest version. Step 3. Restart your computer. Step 4. Check for conflicts with other software. Step 5. Run the program as an administrator. Step 6. Disable compatibility mode if enabled. Step 7. Check for driver updates. Step 8. Scan for malware and viruses. Step 9. Repair or reinstall the problematic program. Step 10. Contact the program support or check for known issues online. Try these steps one by one to identify and resolve the issue causing the program to crash.